Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to change a video's background in CapCut PC. So let's drag this piece of media here onto our timeline, and all you need to do to remove the background is first come up to cutout here on the right hand side and select auto cutout. Then CapCut will do all the rest for you, and it's usually pretty quick. This is a small clip, so it'll be really quick, like that. So now we've removed the background. Now to add a different background colour or any different background, you could drag this picture to the back like that. And the picture, as you can see, takes over. So the video needs to be above, like that. So we can extend this. Extend it to the length of the clip. And we'll have changed the background. Obviously, you can put anything behind the background. A colour, a picture, anything. Another video even. So that's how to change a background colour of a video in CapCut PC. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.